A new political discussion gaining traction online is sparked debate across Zimbabwe after analysts suggest President Emmerson Mnangagwa may be facing increasing political pressure. The discussion explores shifting alliances, internal party dynamics, and the broader implications of Zimbabwe's political landscape. Sarabina Mashkwambura Nyugwachinzi Mnangagwa in deep trouble. Jonathan Moyo, political analysis shocks Zimbabwe. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timta Mnamubra Nyugwachinzi. Zim papers Inombranyura Ichiti. The commentary also brings former government minister Jonathan Moyo into the spotlight. Once a key figure in Zimbabwean politics, Moyo has remained an influential voice in political discourse from outside the country, often providing sharp critiques of the current administration. Observers say the discussion reflects wider conversation about the direction of Zimbabwe's leadership and the balance of power within the ruling party. Political analysts continue to debate how internal dynamics could shape the country's future. The growing reach of online political commentary has also changed how Zimbabweans engage with the news and debate. Social media and live broadcasts allow analysts and commentators to reach large audiences instantly, creating a digital arena for political discussion. As the conversation continues, many Zimbabweans are closely watching the evolving political landscape and what it could mean for the country's future governance and stability. Toma developments ari pomurezi vaupinda kumesi kuchemenuzo funguro enyi moti kunipa musoro pechitwechi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.